Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing and speaker performance test of the Tronsmart Elements Mega Bluetooth speaker. So this is a good quality product from Tronsmart. So Tronsmart is a brand which has quite good accessories in the form of speakers, USB cables, and a lot of other accessories for smartphones and tablets. So this is a portable Bluetooth speaker from Tronsmart, and it's called Elements Mega. It's a 40-watt Bluetooth speaker with good features and specifications as well. So in this video, let's see the speaker and also the sound test of the speaker when connected to a smartphone. So this is the portable Bluetooth speaker. So you can see the 40-watt Elements Mega is mentioned here. The back panel has the features mentioned. It has a DSP technology, touch panels with slide control for volume increase or decrease, 28 core high fidelity large subwoofer, and it also supports NFC out of the box. So this also has NFC and regular options as well. So this is a 40-watt speaker. So let's open the box and see the device. So opening up the box, you can see the Tronsmart speaker on the top. So let's just take this out. So taking out of the cover. So this is the Tronsmart speaker. So you can see here, this is how the speaker looks, and you can see the Tronsmart logo here. And we have some controls here. So the mode option to go to the previous track, play or pause button, and then you also have the option to go to the next track, NFC, and the slider for volume. So that's a speaker. So it looks good. It has a really good build quality, solid build quality, and the back panel has some other controls including line in, aux cable is supported, on off button, and it also supports micro SD card support, and this is the micro USB charging slot. This has a 3300 mAh capacity battery, so this can be used to charge the battery. So that's how it looks. Now let's see what all comes inside the box. So we also get a smaller box inside. So this box has the aux cable. So this is included with the box, and also the charging cable for the speaker. Then you also get the user manual included. So that's all inside the box. Now let's see the speaker. So first let's power on the speaker. So we have the control here. So there you go. That's how you power on. You can see there is a light around the speaker. So that's something really good. You can see that all the controls are backlit. So that's how it works. So once you turn on the speaker, it will be in the pairing mode, and you can go to your smartphone, tablet or laptop and see the Tronsmart Elements Mega available in the Bluetooth settings, and you can just pair it. So now we are connected the speaker to our smartphone. Now let's play some sound to see how good the sound performance is. So this is being played from a smartphone. So you can see this is the control, slide control. So that's how it works. So you can just slide to increase or decrease the volume. So that's the slider control. Now we'll just increase the volume to the maximum to see how the performance is. So that's the maximum volume. So that's the sound performance of the Tronsmart Element Mega 40 watt Bluetooth speaker. The performance is quite good for a compact Bluetooth speaker, and it has 3300 mAh capacity battery as well. That should be quite good enough for performance. And we have a good bass performance as well, so you could actually hear how good the bass performance was on this Bluetooth speaker. So this is quite good for a small party, or if you're having a small party inside a room. And there is also one important aspect of this speaker, that's TWS, that is True Wireless Stereo functionality. That means you can pair another same Tronsmart Bluetooth speaker to this one, and you can act as a master slave mechanism. That means if you're connected one smartphone to the Tronsmart Bluetooth speaker, you can pair another Tronsmart to this Tronsmart and make that as a slave and this as a master. So that means you can get stereo surround sound with two Tronsmart speakers, that is the TWS True Wireless Stereo speakers. So that feature is available on this as well, so that's good enough. So if you have two Tronsmart, you can pair them and also connect to the smartphone and use them as two speakers. So you can also have this functionality of accepting calls, so you can we'll just demo that functionality as well. So right now we are receiving a call, and you can see that the speaker will actually say the number of the caller, and you can actually identify the caller. So that's how the Tronsmart speaker works. You can accept calls using this. So it actually calls out the number of the incoming call, and you can identify that. So that's another useful functionality. And when you're paired with two speakers, only the one of them can receive calls and the other one will not be available at that time. But if you're connected to only one speaker, the primary one will be able to accept calls. So that's the unboxing and hands-on and the speaker performance test of the Tronsmart Mega Element Mega Bluetooth speaker, or the 40 watt Bluetooth speaker. It is actually quite good in terms of the performance, looks, and also overall clarity of the audio as well. So in case you want to buy this speaker, this is available on Paytm in India. So that's the place where you can buy the Tronsmart Mega Bluetooth speaker. This is available for around 3300 rupees. And if you are not in India, you can use the Amazon link in the description of this video to buy the Tronsmart Bluetooth speaker. So in India, this is available on Paytm Mall. So that was unboxing and hands-on with the Tronsmart Element Mega Bluetooth speaker. Overall, it's a good quality speaker and quite suitable for smaller parties and in-room experience. So that's all guys, thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.